What's up, fellow polymaths? In this Java video, we're going to be creating a simple dice program. So this dice program is going to be all console based. There's no graphical interface, unfortunately, but it'll pretty much do the same thing as any other graphical interface. Essentially, we're just trying to get the numbers of the dice roll. So here I'm going to create two variables. We have dice, die1, of course, not the literal die, but the dice, which is a singular version of dice. So we call this die1, or let's be family friendly and call this roll1. Oh, roll1 doesn't make sense. We just call this die1. All right, so now that we've done that, then we're going to use a math.random method called the math.random method. And this is going to be an integer. So, but we want to only get 6 because there's 6 sides on a die. So we want to convert this to an integer because math.random by default is a double. And then we want to add 1 to it because the math.random starts from 0. So now that we've done that, we can just copy this. Then for the second die roll, name that die2. Then output that die1 plus die2. Then let's see what we get. All right, so we got our first roll, which is 7. Second roll is 5. Third roll is 10. Fourth roll is 7. Fifth roll is 9. All right, so that's a simple dice program. Again, it's a very simple program, and it only takes a couple minutes to make this. If you like this video, then please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.